how to disable YouTube Shorts from showing it on your home screen. So first of all, you'll have to open YouTube. Once you've launched YouTube, you can see the first thing that pops up on my home page is Shorts. So if I'm trying to consume a long form video and these keeps popping up, I get distracted and keep scrolling endlessly. So I've brought a fix to that, so hopefully this can fix it. So first of all, you'll have to go to your profile and open settings at the top right. Once you're in your settings, you can click on this general option at the very first, and then you go to playback feeds. Playback in feeds, you're going to keep it off. So once you turn it off, you go back on your YouTube, and then once you go to your home screen, you're going to click on these three dots on these videos and tap on not interested. Once you do this on all of your video or all of your shorts, you just close it, and then you do this, and then you completely turn off your YouTube. You can shut it down, and then if you open it again, you can see the shorts pop up are now gone. And that's how you can easily disable YouTube Shorts on YouTube. Thank you for watching.